Thank you, thank you. Feel is very, very great. I'm very happy. Yeah, it's completely different. It's new element for us, and it's a little bit more like adventure.
And easy up to rough.
There's still a long way to go. There's next stage, which is very difficult, 214 kilometers and very rough.
Från vänster. 50 twist fram.
We met 2 trees just in the middle of the road, and they didn't move, so we banged into them.
Grip was very good, and then suddenly extremely slippy. It was no grip at all, and started sliding and straight to the concrete bridge, and over the concrete bridge it's been quite hard.
30. Long medium left. 70. I've never seen anything look bad.
The conditions were incredible. I mean, it was like riding on a bar of soap in the bath.
Pirun pitkä vasen eri.
Para la derecha buena más ojos se abre, frenando fin, para izquierda buena se tierra.
Into 481, tightens long.
I think we are improving slowly, and the important thing is to keep this line up all the time and to be consistent in the top 3 and to keep improving the car like we are doing.
Pitkä vasen eri.
In big jump, very fast, and the car is completely out, and the problem the gearbox in this moment.
Maybe it was that I losing second instead of gaining second to Tommy today, but now they will put the new center diff in and we will try again tomorrow. But it's 55 seconds, it's a bit long way, but why not?
No niin, Perri. Hyvä, hyvä.
Very good day, I must say. I mean, a little bit surprised even myself in the morning that about the times, but good day.
Vasen eripus kiristyy, heti nyt oikein ja täys. 70. 40 nyppyä jatkuu pirun pitkä vasen, eri kiristyy vähän. Ja vittu kun aukee.
I hope I could push a little bit more tomorrow, and Kytölehto is coming very good also, so we have to go.
I have to say it was one of the most difficult rally to win. I think you have made it so difficult. He did very good work.
The bottle. Ja näin lähtee Samperiasta. Suuren voittaja Tommi Mäkinen, Seppo Harjanne.
3 efter krön. 40. Höger 5 kort. Break 20.
I went off in junction and I hit the cameraman. I don't know.
Nobody damaged, nobody hurt.
I don't think so. Only the camera and the car a little bit.
Unfortunately, we were killing a kangaroo.
Where the wiper arm runs under the scuttle panel, the rod broke and we had no windscreen wipers. And that sounds like a simple problem, but it was so muddy out there and we ended up losing 7 minutes in the stage.
Tierra media, se tierra. Vaya por Dios.
Tommy, are the conditions improving at all?
No, not at all. It's completely stupid to keep this last left-hand corner.
Obviously the ford's far too deep. It was crazy to even think we could go through there. It's like a river, it's not a ford.
Yeah, it looks more like a boat race than a car race. It was absolutely unnecessary to have this deep water because we are all stopped here and maybe 5 or 6 cars destroyed the engine here, so we had to stop the rally.
Bruno, the engine sounds terrible.
Straight after the start, misfire. All the stage was misfire. You can hear.
Oh, I had a small fire in the car, so next stage I think I will take some sausage with me so we can have a party inside. But I think it's due to the river crossing we did when it was just flooded inside the car with water.
Till höger 5. Till vänster 5. I höger 5 plus. Till vänster 5.
I think Tommy deserved this championship and he has been driving fantastically, so no objection. Congratulations.
And 6 left into 4 left plus wide.
Attention, gauche 5, attention intérieur, 5 attention intérieur.
E destra 2 meno lunga, e sinistra 2 più, e destra 3.
Colin, good day?
Yeah, very good. Like the time here was very good, so quite happy.
Droite 5 plus, allez. Merde.
Empieza en bache, rajante fondo en izquierda, 2.
Om rechts 70. Om 50 rechts 52. 50 links 63 rond.
There was no hassle about this year and the bad results. It's nice to win this rally. This is probably one of the rallies in the championship. It's very good to have in your record as a winner.
In sinistra 2 e destra 2 più, 30, sinistra 3.
vasen, varos sisä, soraa. To flat left, 60.
Well, we heard on the radio that he had misunderstood a pace note and went off the road. I don't think it was a big accident, but he sounded very disappointed.
To be part of such a drama as this is what all World Championship rallying should be about. Right to the wire, decided over a handful of seconds on the last stage.